Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2007 Subaru Forester X, stock reference number 5116. This shape runs from the 6th month 2005 through to the 2nd month 2008. It has an EJ25 2.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by an automatic all-wheel drive transmission. EJ25 2.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. We have the bonnet, which appears to have no damage, radiated grille, right hand headlight, left power door mirror, left rear 16-inch steel rim with a good tyre, left hand tail light. Tailgate appears to have no damage apart from no window. Factory fitted tow bar supplied with all bolts, brackets and loom. Right hand tail light, right rear 16-inch steel rim with an average tyre. Right rear door has one small dent, right front door has two small dents. Right guard appears to have no damage. Right power door mirror and a right front 16-inch steel rim with a good tyre. With the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black leather interior, automatic console, automatic gear shifter, heated controls, single stack, single din CD player, top glove box, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, twin sunglass holder type with sunroof, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel with cruise control. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.